All right, it's Wednesday, and it's about 4:30. Kevin and I started this morning about 8 o'clock. He went home around noon. I continued to work. I got the front end put together. The turn signals are installed. All the wires in the headlight are connected. These wires go to the headlight bulb, and they're nasty. They'll be replaced with a regular bulb socket. The dashboard's in and looking good. I have not yet applied power to the bike, but I've got everything here. I've got the switches on the left side put together and switches on the right side put together, and clutch cable installed. And let's see, turn signals in the back are installed, taillights installed. The testing will probably start tomorrow or the next day. This wire is usually goes to the horn. I'm going to turn it around, take it up here, and mount a horn up here in between these down tubes. And it's starting to look like a motorcycle. And that's where we are. So another full day and what appears to be not that much progress, but it is progress. This is amazing. It's amazing how long it takes to resurrect a motorcycle. So that's where we are.